Bindi Babes, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the June Boxyluxe. Yes, we're getting more and more information, and different variations of the box have been coming out. So I want to do these individually. I'll do a Boxyluxe video, then next a premium, then next a regular box. So I don't want to put them all together. It makes the videos just too long. So this is the first one, and it is on our June Luxe box, which is sold out. So if anyone is interested, you can still enjoy this Boxyluxe. They're offering a mystery Boxyluxe box. It's going to be valued at at least $375, and the box will feature June Boxyluxe fan favorites as well as a few special surprises. So if you're a BoxyCharm member and want to upgrade to Boxyluxe, you will still get your BoxyCharm box. I would think if you upgrade, you will pay the $49.99 and get the mystery Boxyluxe. If you're not a BoxyCharm subscriber at all, if you join today and upgrade right away, I'm sure you can get this box as well. So if anybody's interested, you will see in my video how great this box is. So before we begin, please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and share out this video to all your family and friends. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. I appreciate it so much. Okay, here we go. Let's see what our confirmed sneak peeks are for this Boxyluxe box and what has been added so far. Okay, in the Luxe box, the original Luxe box, we are all getting one of these two products as our first item. It is either the Tarte Tarteist Pro Palette Amazonian Clay Palette or the Tarte Tarteist Pro Remix Amazonian Clay Palette. This Remix palette was offered to us in March. So the people who got it in March will not get it in June. So if you're saying, oh, I already got that palette, then you should not get it. You should get the regular Tarte Tarteist Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. So these are two great items. If you haven't gotten either one will be a nice addition to your collection. These both sell for $49. Okay, our sneak peek confirmed for number 2. You will be getting one of these two items. Either the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. It's her foaming face wash. This sells for $24. We've talked about it already. Or from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Fairy Bomb Shimmer Powder. This is in the shade 24 K-Ray and it sells for $28. So I am so excited about this. I would want this powder so bad. The K-Ray is a radiant finish. It's a glimmering gold. It's just gorgeous. Does come in 4 different shades, but they're only mentioning one shade. It's a loose all-over highlighting powder in 3 shades for all skin tones. Fairy Bomb Shimmer Powder is the same smooth, hyper-reflective shimmer. Pack this prismatic sparkle onto your face, eyes, and body. Each shade features the same irresistible vanilla coconut scent. This looks amazing. Now, I think either one of these I would be happy with because I've never used either one. But this Fenty product is a good surprise for us. This is the first I hear of this sneak peek, so I'm very interested in seeing who gets it. Okay, next is our third confirmed sneak peek. This was a choice item. The third item in your box will be either the Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Soothing Eye Balm or Lily Lashes XXX Mascara. You're supposed to get 3 times the coverage in one swipe. The Lily Lashes XXX Mascara sells for $24. The Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm sells for $28. And all of Tula's products have been amazing. This one is a luminous probiotic and superfood packed eye balm that delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines and wrinkles. So I think either one of these are great. It's just your preference. Can't wait to see how they both work. So moving on, what will be your 4th item in the box? The 4th item was a choice item, and I'll go through these. We picked these a while back. The first one is the Eco Modern Goddess Duo, and what this is It's an essential oil. It's a duo pack, and it's got orange, patchouli, and sandalwood essential oils, and it will ease stress, bring calm to the mind, body. Sit back, relax, and unwind. These two together are valued at $40. The next item is from Swell. It's a repeat item. We've seen these before, but they are amazing. They sell for $35. It's a stainless steel bottle. You could have gotten it in either lilywood, pomegranate, or birchwood. All three are very beautiful colors. These bottles will keep your beverage cool or warm throughout the day. Very good product. The next choice was from Smile Science. It's a 2-pin teeth whitening system. These pins are supposed to get your teeth up to 10 shades whiter, and in each pin you have 30 applications. I guess you would use it in the morning and at night, and they're FDA registered. It's a convenient and easy way to use, and it's got a refreshing peppermint flavor or bubblegum flavor. And the next item is from Hallmark Collectibles. It's valued at $50, and it's a satin pillowcase and mask set. You get it in either blush or leopard pink, and this will help your hair not to frizz. It helps your face not to get lines while you sleep. It's very nice. Next is from Osea. It's a Gua Shea Sculptor, and it's made out of jade. It's to firm and define the contours of your face, and it sells for $32. So the first 4 products, you should know what they could be. They're set in stone, so no variations, but you know 2 of them you picked already. So let's move over to the 5th product. Okay, the 5th product in your box is a confirmed sneak peek. It will be either the M Green Grass CBD head to toe cream. This sells for $56. It's a unique formula that uses 100 milligrams of THC free encapsulated CBD for better absorption, and it's for moisturizing your skin. It's intense hydration, and it's for all skin types. Or if you don't get this one, you will possibly get the $1 Billion Brows Charcoal 5-piece brush set. This sells for $65. It gives you 5 professional quality brushes that are made with bamboo charcoal and infused bristles for antibacterial effect. You'll get a powder brush, a contour brush, a concealer brush, a highlighter brush, and an eyeshadow brush. That is your next option in your box, which is your 5th product. The next products I'm going to talk about are just random. So far, I've seen this in everybody's box. It's from Bodyography, and it's 2 lip liners. We've gotten Bodyography products before, so I hope that they give us a different shade if we do get these. The next product is from Mane & Goats. It's the Recovery Treatment Oil, and it sells for $82. This is a luxurious face treatment that combines 9 enriched oils to restore your complexion's natural radiance and protect your skin from free radicals. Nordstrom's sells this, and they had 57 reviews, and it was given a 4.6 out of 5 stars. People love this oil, and I did notice that if you have an oily skin complexion, that it really works well on your skin. You just use a small amount, and it really helps boost hydration in your skin. All skin types can benefit from this oil. The next item that can be in your box is from Pearlies. It is the Perfect Glow BB Cream in SPF 30. Now, everybody who is getting this in their Boxyluxe kind of already knows, because they sent out a letter saying that they may not get your skin tone correct and gave everybody a $12 coupon. So you probably know if you're getting this, and I did receive this for one of my Boxyluxes I pay for, so I know I'm getting it in one box. It actually comes in 8 different shades. I don't know how many shades they're offering. It sells for $35. And all BB cream is, it's a foundation that has skincare benefits. This one has goji and hawthorn berry to brighten the skin. It also has jasmine, which will improve skin's texture and retain moisture. You may see this product in your Boxyluxe. It's by Pearlies by Nature. It's the Pearlies Propolis 80 Sleeping Pack. And what this is, it's a Korean product. That's why the title's kind of weird. By Nature Village is a great Korean brand. I just got a box full of products from them to try out. And actually, this is the second product we see in BoxyCharm from this brand. In this product, it has 80% propolis extract for moisturizing and softening your skin. It is not cruelty-free because it does have the propolis from bees in it. It has 13 kinds of botanical oils for a honey glowing skin finish. And it also has adenosine and niacinamide to improve your fine lines and wrinkles. Now, this seems like a very nice product. It sells for $27.90. And the way you use this, they say you can use it AM or PM. You use it as your last step in your skincare regimen, and you just take a small amount and pat it into your skin. So I'm anxious to see how this works. I know a lot of people who have mature aging skin love to use anything with honey or propolis in it. It is used for healing, antiseptic, and restorative capabilities, but for the skin itself, it will help accelerate the rate of cell growth, and it will decongest pores. It's just like a natural product for the skin. Okay, and the last product that I've seen in the Boxyluxe that you can possibly receive is from Touch and Sew. It's the No Problem Priming Water. Not the essence. They have a different product called the Priming Water. This sells for $23. It's a biphase multi-oil with Bulgarian damask rose oil and rose water. It helps dry skin immediately moisturize and vitalize, making the skin perfectly ready for makeup. It'll smooth the skin for a seamless coverage for hiding pores and uneven skin. It'll make your skin like velvet. And this microfiber priming water will create an invisible layer that acts as a barrier for any outside elements. So at first when I saw this, I was like, wait, didn't we already get this? But I grabbed my product in my drawer and it's an essence. And reading the two descriptions, they are different. If you're a new subscriber, you may get some things that we've had in boxes before. We'll just have to wait and see what people get and which variations they have. The first 4 variations I have, this first one is showing the Tarte Pro Amazonian Play Palette, the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash, the Lily Lash Triple X Mascara, the Smile Sciences 2-Pack Teeth Whitening Pen, the Billion Dollar Brows Charcoal 5-Piece Brush Set, then the Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Pack, the Touch and Sew No Problem Priming Water, and the Bodyography Lip Liners, 2 in the set. Variation 2. The first item is the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. 2 is Kylie Foaming Face Wash. Then we have the Tula Glowing Get It. Then from Hallmark, the Collectibles Pillowcase and Sleeping Mask. The Pro Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Pack. Bodyography 2-piece Lip Liner Set. The Pearlies Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30, and Billion Dollar Brows 5-piece brush set. Variation 3 has the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay Palette, the Kylie Foaming Face Wash, the Tula Glowing Get It, Osea Gia Shea Sculptor, the Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Pack, M Green Grass Fragrances CBD Head to Toe Cream, the Pearlies Perfect Glow BB Cream, and the last item is a Bodyography 2-set lip liners. That is in every box. Variation 4, the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay Palette, Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara, the Kylie Foaming Face Wash. 4 is Smile Sciences 2-pin Teeth Whitening Pens. 5 is from Pearlies, the Perfect Glow BB Cream. Then we have the M Green Grass CBD Head to Toe Cream. Then Malin and Goat's Recovery Treatment Oil. Then Bodyography 2 Lip Liners. Variation box 5. From Tarte, we have the Pro Amazonian Clay Palette, Kylie's Foaming Face Wash, the Tula Glow and Get It, Smile Sciences Teeth Whitening Pens, the BDB Charcoal 5-piece brush set, Touch and So's No Problem Priming Water, Malin & Goat's Recovery Treatment Oil, and from Bodyography, the 2 lip liner set. Variation number 6, the Tarte Amazonian Clay Palette, the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash, Lily Lashes XXX Mascara. Then from Swell, the aluminum bottle, and this one's in white birch. Then we have the BDB Charcoal 5-piece brush set. From Pearlies, the Perfect Glow BB Cream. Then from Pure Heals, the Propolis 80 Sleeping Pack. Then from Bodyography, the 2-piece lip liner. Variation 7. This one has the Tarte's Pro Amazonian Clay Palette, the Kylie Foaming Face Wash, the Tula Glow and Get It, the Osea Face Sculpture Tool, the Pearlies Perfect Glow BB Cream, Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Pack, M Green Grass B CBD Head to Toe Cream, and then from Bodyography, the 2 lip liners. Variation 8, and this is the last one I have, is from Tarte. It's the Tarte's Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. From Kylie, her face wash, Lily Lashes XXX Mascara, the Osea Jade Sculptor Tool, Billion Dollar Brows Charcoal 5-piece brush set, the Malin & Goat's Recovery Treatment Oil, from Pearlies, the Perfect Glow BB Cream, and lastly from Bodyography, 2 lip liner set. So that's all the variations I have. I could have gotten a couple more, but they were duplicates. And I want to say, just looking at all of these, it looks like everybody's getting the 2 lip liners. I think with the Kylie face wash, they probably ran out, so that's why they had to find something nice to add on comparable to it. So some people will be getting the Fenty powder. But gosh, these boxes are great. If you didn't get in, they're going to have a mystery box. The mystery box is going to have some of these products, but evidently they ran out of some. But I think it'll still be a great box. If you're not subscribed to BoxyCharm, I have all the information below and the current code. I want to thank you guys for watching, and please, if you would send me a picture of your box, I will include it in one of my videos. All you need to do is email me a picture, and I will give you credit for it. I would love to include you, and it can be any box, base, premium, or luxe. And remember, we have a giveaway going on this month. I have 2 Urban Decay wired pressed pigment palettes, and are they colorful. I'll have 2 of these to give away this month, so make sure you get in the monthly giveaway. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, and make sure your bell notification is set to all notifications. And if you liked my video, please hit that like button. Please remember, let beauty transform you inside and out, and always have a beautiful smile on your face. Love each and every one of you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song